Howdy, y'all. We're at the Blackwood Gun Club. We are shooting 22s, and we are fixing to shoot the B-Fox 87 alien target. I can't set up a target camera here. The bench just wiggles too much to set it up on my spot and scope. And I'm not allowed to set anything up downrange like that. So we just do what we can here. All right, we're waiting on a ceasefire. As soon as the ceasefire is over, we're gonna shoot the aliens. We'll be right back. All right, Model 20, Federal Auto Match, been sized with a what I call number 2. I'll explain that later. It got its foot. All right, the Country Rimfire and No Pros alien target. Oh, that was a miss. All right, we're going for the 2 bonus. Damn, I think I got that. I got that one too. let's go get the target.
All right. Well, we didn't do really good with this stuff. I'm going to save the best target for last. So, as far as the 4 targets that I just got through shooting. So, this video is going to have 2 of them in it. Anyway, got him in the head there, totally missed. Hit him in the foot, hit him in the head. I missed him, that was up here. Got him in the head. Oh, I didn't add that one in. I don't remember if that was a headshot. If it's in the head, it's in the head, I'm assuming, so we'll add 2 to that. So that'll make that 14. Missed him, hits way up here. Got him right there, just nicked the side of his head there. Missed that one. Got that one. Let's see. He was already up there. Got him in the head here. Missed both of these. This was the shot for his head, and this was a shot for the star bonus. Right in between his tentacles. Missed him here. Can't remember which one's which now. I want to say that is that it over here? I think it was. No, this one was up here is what this was. This one's over here. I actually ended up missing or shooting this one twice. So I think I missed shooting at him. So somehow I did. So I'm going to count this as 0 since I shot twice. There's nothing around him, so that's a miss. And I think that's a miss. Or it could be this was the miss and this one I missed. I believe that's what it was. This was way over here. I mean, some of these bullets was just like, you could see them like make a U-turn. I could see them flying through the air and they just like U-turned. I don't know what was happening there. And I think thought I shot at this one because of that mark that's on there, and I didn't. And somehow or another I shot this twice. Anyway, I'm only counting as 14 points. Alright, so now this one. Boy, this one really bad. The only thing that saved me was the bonus points. Missed all the top ones. I got one here, this one, and that one. Missed all the bottom ones, and then got the 2 bonus points. 28. Now this was using the Federal, with rim checked at 41 thousandths. So there's my rim fire challenge for the alien targets. We got to do I'm gonna do this is nuts target and the lifesaver target too with rimfire. So keep an eye out for those. All right, get out there and shoot some of these targets and have fun. Thanks for watching, everybody.